Hello! This is your friend Prerna. I am happy to share with you an interesting story which I hope you can share with your friends. The title of the story is Unity is Strength. Once upon a time, there lived a flock of doves led by their king, flew from place to place in search of food. One day, they were all trapped in a net. The doves struggled to get out, but it was of no use. The dove king had an idea. He told all the doves to fly up together at once, thus lifting the net along with them. The doves immediately obeyed their king. The hunter looked up in astonishment as he saw his net rise into the air with the flock of doves. The doves flew to a mouse hole. This mouse was a faithful friend of the dove king. The mouse quickly chewed the net with his teeth and freed the doves. The moral of the story is unity is very big strength. Thank you, my dear friends, for listening to my story. It will give me great pleasure to Aarti Naik Changemaker for giving me an opportunity to share these audio stories. I will be back again tomorrow with another exciting story. Please take care and stay safe.